Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A1. Traditional wireless and PoE/IP security cameras need to be connected to your home internet if you want to get remote live streaming, motion detection alerts and other smart functions. Note that even without internet, PoE Wi-Fi IP security cameras with SD cards can still record on site.
Take our lead.
Security cameras, also known as CCTV cameras, are used to convey signals from one particular place to a definite monitor situated at a distant place, whereas surveillance cameras, also known as automatic number plate recognition system, normally work on IP networks which link the camera from the remote area to the
Take our lead.
A primary advantage of wireless security cameras is that they are much easier to install than wired cameras. You may need to mount them to a wall or ceiling using a drill, but otherwise, there's minimal installation. Just plug it in and connect it to your Wi-Fi network using the camera's smartphone app.
Take our lead.
Usually, or traditionally, PoE and wireless surveillance cameras work by connecting them to your home internet router, therefore allowing you to get remote live streaming and motion alerts. However, they can also function, even without internet connection, and can still record activities on site with SD cards.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.